1.
House full of chicks.
That's right, that's right.
House full of chicks.
That's right, that's right.
House full of chicks. House full of chicks.
That's right, that's right.
House full of chicks.
That's right, that's right.
House full of chicks.
What is up, J Crew, and welcome back to another video, you guys. I am about to walk down a trail. I'm so excited. Let me just start by saying, if it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And secondly, wish me a happy birthday down in the comments down below. It is my 30th birthday tomorrow, and I decided that I want to go out in the outdoors. I want to be out and do something that I have never done before. And we are at a place called McKinney Falls State Park in Austin, Texas. It's about like 2.5 hours away from Houston, and they have waterfalls and trails and fun stuff to do here. We're here, y'all. Look at the families ahead of me. Everybody is here, and they just left me in the dust, y'all. So we are in like the wilderness. They have trails and falls and all kind of fun stuff, so we are just doing it big. Like I said, I wanted to do something that I've never done before for my 30th birthday, and you know, we wanted to go camping, but it seemed like everybody wants to go camping nowadays, and all the sites were full. So maybe we'll try again, maybe in the next few months. It's crazy, y'all. It's crazy. Everybody wants to go camping, but stay tuned and see how we celebrate out here. Jalea, say what's up to the crew.
What's up, guys?
Isn't this crazy?
Yeah.
Look at this. Like, we're on like a mountain basically, like with all these
Like
hills and stuff. There's water that way?
End of the cliff. It's not that short. There's just a little bit of grass down there. It's not really a hill type of thingy, but we're on this rock. I thought we were gonna walk on the hills first, but there's a lot of grass, so we'll probably end up going through the grass. And there's an airplane taking off right now. But they're up there.
They're up there, we're back here, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk slower than I would because I don't want to twist my ankle, y'all, and be out for the count. It's very uneven here, but I'm loving it.
Yeah.
Let's go see the falls. We made it to the falls. Wow, so pretty. The water looks nice and crystal clear. Wow. Say what's up, Mom, to the crew. Oh my gosh, there's a far way down. Where do people jump off of? Right there?
I don't really think they jump into the rock.
Oh. You could take a picture of me from there, and I'm standing here.
A lot of pictures there.
I'm excited, you guys. Let's go check on the kids. They went down over that way. Let's see, y'all. Uh-oh. So they got down through here. Is this the way to get down?
Yeah, there's a lot of ways. We walk down this way almost. This way is the careful this way.
All right, hold the camera. Get me on the camera.
Guys, Mom's coming down and Dad. We're right this grass right here, so hopefully, and there's a big log. Dad's right there, so I don't know how you're gonna get there. Mom, Jalen changed it. Dad, you think that you got it? Daddy got it. Come on. Mom. I'm gonna see. All right, we all got down. So, right now, Jalen wants to go change into his bathing suit since we're here. I'm not gonna show. Alright, so guys, let me show you guys this water. I want to try to get a little bit more closer for you guys. Right here. Here's the water. Here's the water. Look. I know.
What? Right?
Yeah, but there's a lot of water.
Go back, put it away, and go down another trail.
Okay. So.
Right here. All right, so
I want to swim. Oh my God, Mom! Look, that tree is broken. And look, Jalen,
Put your pants on, boy.
So Jay changed into his swimsuit. He looks like he's on Survivor with this. You playing Survivor, bro?
Gotta get all these houses.
This house, the water is really cold.
Yeah, it's cold. It's a little cold, but not that cold. It's real cold. Can you put my hair
Up? No, just leave it like that. Yeah, it's cute. Go. 1, 2, 3. Don't go too deep, Jalea, because I heard Jalen said it's deep. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. You guys, Jay is over there. I think he's contemplating whether or not he's gonna jump. Be careful. Make sure that you're not jumping on rocks. Be careful. No. Okay, you guys, so Jay is trying to jump. Let me see. Let me see where's a good spot to jump. Oh, look at the turtle.
Yeah, jump right here.
Jump over this way. Ready?
Oh, you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. You don't have to do it. I'm gonna do it.
Right there. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, guys, Jay jumped. I want to jump from here too. I see a lot of little fish. It's just so pretty here. I'm happy to be here, and that's all I can say. So basically the water, oh look at Jer. The waterfall is being fed from the river down that way, and it's coming across here, down, and it stops over that way.
Look, guys, we are here with Jalea. She's under this little waterfall little thing, the little hole, y'all. Look at that.
Guys, Jalen thinks that he can slide down.
You cannot slide down, Jalen. This kid think he can jump and slide. Like, what the heck? Got Jaren over here. I just took some photos of the kids under this nice little waterfall thing. So make sure you guys are following us on Instagram. Down below, link in the bio. You can see all the pictures we take. What? Show us. Woo!
Guys, this rock is so fun.
Watch out. Slippery, y'all. Watch out.